Okay, back on the skeeve trucks. It smells terrible. We have determined that the multi-function switch is totally worn down. So we have to buy a new one from Thailand. I guess Honda's making them now, I don't know. Right in Thailand, you could change the cap, they'll never know. Oh wow, look at that horn contact. It's about 3 times longer than the one on there. Yeah. You can take the wheel off, which I might have to do. Or you can sneak it out. Not sure yet. Alright, that's a T25, I think. Yeah, it's a T25. Yeah, I'm probably just going to take the wheel off. My bit doesn't fit. If I have a T25 bit on the screwdriver, I might try that. I might have a screwdriver, I mean a wrench. Like a loose one. I'll go look, excuse me. Yeah, you can. You could use like a bit on a wrench. Honestly, the time it takes to do this, screwing with this, I could have had the wheel off already. Yeah. I got my connectors off, black on the top, gray on the side, and this one, because it has screws, it's kind of wrapped around. It's wrapped over and through it. There's the other one. Alright, back to T25 and yeah, I don't know. If you got a puller, use a puller. If I had this part and I had the wheel off the other day to change that horn ring, you know. But, you know, sometimes you seek a simple solution. Is there Loctite on this thing? I don't even know. These are on tight though, I know that. No, Loctite. There's only 2. Some people say there's 3. I believe there's only 2. We'll see. I stopped recording? I don't even know. Hopefully that recorded. Oh, there's another connection. One in the back. There's a couple more. I didn't even know that one. Alright, just 4 connections. Interesting. Wow, that's really funky. Well, you can also get your grease needle in here better and grease the bearing. I'll go in here some more. I don't know. Wish I knew that before. Dirty. I clean up in here. And this new switch is tight compared to the other one. Not a bad deal. Oh, wow, that's so worn down on the old one. I just set it up and then honked the horn and it had nothing. I was like, oh yeah, I didn't connect any wires. But yeah, it fits good. Let's connect the wires, then bolt it down. Niles, the same brand that was on there. This is made in Thailand now. Oh. I knew this thing was worn out. This is so smooth. That's so nice. It used to be like clunk, clunk, clunk. That's how it was when it was new. Wow. Yeah, this thing was bought new.
Just came down and said you better watch it.
Turn this off. We don't need this garbage. Beautiful. All these lights working and stuff too. Yeah. Beautiful. You gotta check them all. Sometimes they had switches that messed up the windshield wipers work. Do they sway and spray? Whoa. Almost got wet. They sway and spray. Passes the pre-trip. But I don't have to say that anymore. Anyway, I gotta hook up the cruise. And works. Alright, now I'm gonna put the column covers on and everything in the lower dash, which you didn't show because we were doing other things. But yeah, horn ring was shot, and the multi-function switch with the contact was shot. Not only was that brass worn, it's really this whole switch was going out. So this will be a lot better. And works all the way around. Wow. Bad contact right there. So yeah, horn ring Like, I don't know what that was, like $18. The switch was like $100, and labor doing it yourself. And it kind of needed replacement anyway. Everything works though, real smooth. That should work all right. It cancels. All right, let's go put the rest back together before they destroy it. Cool. The horn has been working iffy for over a year. So now it works all the time. That's a safety thing anyway. It would have failed inspection if you were in an inspection state. All right, done.